guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix your browser is managed by your organization Edge browser. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing your browser is managed by an organization in Edge browser, then I will show you a simple method to resolve this issue. First of all, you just need to click on start menu, then type here regedit and click on register. Click on yes, just click on file explorer. You just need to click on file. After that you just need to click on export. Select the desktop location and just rename the file backup and just click on save. If something happen after doing the changes, you can just restore your registry setting from this backup. After taking the backup, you just need to go to the HKey local machine, double click and expand. After that you need to find software, double click and expand. You need to find policies. You can see here policies, just double click and expand. After that you need to find Microsoft. You can see here Microsoft, just double click and expand. After finding Microsoft, in this you will find Edge. You can see you cannot see Edge here because already I have deleted that one. If you find any Edge, you just need to right click on that and click on delete. After deleting, just close this. Just open your Edge browser. Here you need to type edge:// management and hit enter. You can see Microsoft Edge is not managed by a company or organization. If you find anything here, you just need to select and delete that one. After that, just close this window and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then you need to type, just copy paste some of the commands what I will provide in my video description link. You can just copy paste from there. You can see these are the commands. You just need to select and paste one by one. Just right click, copy, just click on the start menu and type here cmd. Right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Just you have to press Ctrl+V key and hit enter. Copy the second command and hit enter. Copy the third command and paste it here by pressing Ctrl+V and hit enter. After doing this, just close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then you need to open your Edge browser. Click on this three dot, click on settings. In left section you can see here reset setting. Just click on this After clicking reset setting, you can see a restore setting to the default values. Just click on this. Before clicking reset, you have to read this carefully. This will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine and pin tabs. It will also turn off all the extensions and clear temporary data like cookies, your favorite history and save password will not be cleared. After reading this, just tap on reset. After resetting, just close this window and restart your PC. And guys, if you are facing the issue with your Google Chrome, you can try all this method in your Google Chrome also. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix your browser is managed by your organization in your Edge browser. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.